Hey guys, it's Travis here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 tools that you need to know if you are a photographer, you are a professional photographer, or you are a mobile photographer. These 5 tools will help you improve your editing skills to the next level. The first tool that I'm going to talk about is the white balance tool. This tool helps you to set the color temperature in your image to look more natural. For example, if you're shooting under a tungsten light, you will notice a warm color cast in your photo. To remove this warm color cast out from your photo is very simple. You just have to do is to select an area in your image that is actually white, and it will automatically remove the warm color cast out from your photo. The second tool I'm going to talk about is the crop tool. This tool helps you to recompose your image, or you can crop away distracting objects from your photo. For example, if you have a landscape photo like this, you can actually crop it into 16:9 to give it a wide angle feel into this photo. All you have to do is to select the aspect ratio on the panel on your left, click and drag until it satisfies your composition. Let's move on to the next tool, which is the spot removal tool. This tool can patch away your pimples, basically everything that is distracting in your image. So you can just select this tool and click on the area that you want to remove. It will automatically find a similar area to fill in the area that you have selected. The following tool will be the graduated filter. This filter enables you to adjust the exposure of a specific area in your photos without affecting the overall exposure in your image. For example, in this photo, I want the sands to be a little bit brightened up, so I can just select this tool from the bottom and drag it until the horizon. From here, I can just adjust the exposures of the sands without affecting the exposure of the skies. The last filter I'm going to talk about in this video is the Radial Filter. This filter is almost similar as the graduate filter. The only difference is it's shaped in round. This filter is mostly used to brighten up an object or a subject to make it more stand out in a photo. As the similarities, they enable you to adjust the exposure of a selected area without affecting the unselected areas. So we have came to the end of this video. If you have any questions, remember to comment it down below. And if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So I will see you in the next episode. Bye!